Now, I realize most apartment investors already have a specialty or niche. They either buy market rate or student or affordable. But if you're still trying to decide which route to go, or you're open to other routes, this video could definitely surprise you. So the way this chart is set up is that we took the median closing price per unit for the 2015 to 2017 timeframe, and then compared that to the 2023 to 2025 timeframe and computed the appreciation in between those two periods. So let's start at the bottom. Affordable housing, the typical deal went from about 52,000 a unit to 86,000 a unit during those timeframes. Now that's a 66% growth. That's solid. That's stable, but it's of course the slowest of the three. Then you got market rate, which is pretty much the bread and butter. About 70% of deals are market rate. That was up 115% from about 53,000 to 115,000 a unit, so it more than doubled. But the winner, as you can see, is student housing. The typical student deal went from about 80,000 a unit all the way to 192,000. That's 139% growth. And notice it's also trading at the highest price per unit by a pretty big margin. Now, I know student housing is typically traded on a per bed basis, but in order to compare these to market rate and affordable, we had to have some sort of metric. Okay, so why student housing for North Florida? Well, it's primarily because we've got two major universities anchoring these markets, right? You got University of Florida in Gainesville, go Gators, and of course you got FSU in Tallahassee, and then you combine that with just unbelievable enrollment demand, and there's national student housing operators who will pay a premium for these purpose-built assets, especially if you're walking distance to campus. Now, there is a flip side to that. Student housing is more management intensive and it's very tied to enrollment cycles, so it's not for everybody. But if you're chasing appreciation, the data is pretty obvious, so you don't want to sleep on that asset class. All right, hope this information was helpful. See you guys in the next one.